Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today we're talking about clothes in Sepedi. Are you ready, kids? First of all, the word for pants in Sepedi is borokgo.
Borokgo.
And the word for shirt in Sepedi is hempe. The word for dress in Sepedi is roko.
Roko.
And a shoe is seeta.
Seta.
But the word for shoes is dieta.
Dieta.
And the word for sock is kauso. But the word for socks is dikauso. So, we have borokgo,
Borokgo.
hempe, roko,
Roko.
dikauso, and dieta.
Dieta.
And now you know the words for clothes in Sepedi. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Shalachabotse.